Today's featured advertiser is eXp Realty Natchez.
Okay, now I've got to grease it.
How many squares of this chocolate?
All of it, I think. Doesn't it say 4
One
ounces?
package, yeah. All right. It's the hardest cake to make in the world, I'm telling you.
Yeah, and that's the German chocolate, right?
Okay.
Feel it better?
Oh, does it say?
I hope so.
Yes, it is
Okay.
German sweet chocolate.
Yeah.
So I will not just eat any of it.
You will not what?
Just eat any of it.
No, it's...
What if I tasted it?
have to have you hang these up while we're working. But the eggs have to...
Oh, I believe
Is it good?
it. Look, it's chocolate.
I hate cooking.
I know you do.
I'd rather rebuild the house.
It's taking a beating.
I think the chocolate is melted.
I know, you're making it German chocolate cake. The three of us is favorite.
What is he doing?
I don't know. He's not gonna,
Hammering.
he's not going to sit still. And do you know what we forgot to do?
What we forget to do? Either one. That was
We forgot to soften the butter.
Oh,
So there will probably be a short break.
well, we softened butter. It's just letting it go. I need to know what he's hammering in there.
This is what's happening during cake making. I don't know what he's doing. Anybody want to know where I get it from? What's happening?
Fixing this cord. Why?
It's just, we're in the kitchen baking the cake, and all of a sudden I heard hammering. Okay. And then on the other end of the house, look at her house, isn't it the cutest? Hey, Boogie. Hang on. She's softening the butter.
If it feels to you like it's taking me forever to sand these windows, think how it must feel to me. So you see my shirt today and you wonder if I went to Princeton. I did actually. Lane and I both went to Princeton to visit our niece who was going to college there and graduated from there. So of course I went there. You're probably also asking, why are you sanding that after you just sanded that? Because I know you saw me sand the whole thing and then I came back and sanded it again. Well, I'm using 200 grit paper to make it nice and smooth. So you do it with, I'm using 60 to get the paint off, then come back with 100 and then 200 to make it nice and smooth. These are nice finished wood areas and they need to look really crisp and sharp. So that's what we do. And then once we prime it, we'll come back and sand it again and then paint it. So lots of sanding to get the final product that you really are going to be proud of, we hope.
And we hope and pray it comes out good. If it doesn't,
Well, if it doesn't, we can laugh and laugh.
mix flour, soda, and salt. And so soda and salt's in that far, should be in the top.
Gosh, I don't think well, I shouldn't say this because I don't ever cook, but you don't ever need baking soda. You always need baking powder.
I don't know, doesn't it say soda?
It says soda. It says
Okay.
baking soda.
Okay.
1/2 salt.
Did you find it 1/2 just?
I did.
Okay, let me go see how the butter's melting. I would think it'd melt pretty quick after.
I'm whisking. I'm whisking together. Whisk. Whisk.
Shake it up and put it in a...
You're gonna make
I
me
know.
do that.
Yeah, I know.
I can't do milk. I can't.
See these two girls?
Mhm.
This is our cup. Can they see it? We look funny on there.
I come by it naturally.
Who invented this stuff?
I know. Who said?
What?
I know what we'll do. Put some curdled milk in there and see what it tastes like.
Oh, look it up.
No, I can't even
Maybe
look at it.
vinegar or something. Oh. Stop being bossy. We'll
the
see how
speeding.
funny our faces look on
Well,
the...
they're going to because we have it at a funny angle. Velociraptor.
It's good, though. Wait for the butter to melt.
The butter.
We'll sing.
What are we singing?
We're waiting
My
for the
little
buttercup.
has the sweetest
smile. Look, outside in the heat for what? 10 minutes, 15 minutes?
Look at that. The sunshine done melted your butter. Put the sugar in there.
Uh-huh. We're going to cream it.
And I even put all of the sugar in there.
A scan. We need vanilla and chocolate. And what we're going to do with this is another lesson.
Okay.
Because we're going to stir it with the spatula first so it doesn't...
So it doesn't.
No, because that's all the
All over the
chocolate we've
place.
got. And if it decides to jump out on the kitchen floor, we're kind of... Look at you. Look at you.
Look at me be a big girl.
Baking like a big girl. And why you have to do it like this, I don't know, but this is how you do it.
Again, because I want it to be the hardest cake in the world.
Okay.
Okay, so do we have to like fold it in?
Yeah, just dump it in there.
Fold in the meringue.
Yes.
Oh, all at once?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't want to fold it in
No.
piece by piece?
No.
I'm not sure about this cake making
This is a
still.
core memory for you.
Is it? Okay.
When you're old, you will stop and think about it.
You know, see, we've done this before though, and you know what I remember from the last time we did
That you
it?
were
Don't
never gonna-
ever do this again.
No, you were really upset.
I was very serious about
You said,
that.
Mama,
Never doing that
I
again.
don't ever want to do that again, please. Okay. It looks a little grainy, but you know, he'll never know. On the Great British Bake Show, they put the load in.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you see what happens on the Great British Baking Show half the time too. They're redoing it at the last minute.
funny thing is when they say I didn't turn my oven on.
I'm burning up, sweating covered in egg. No, that was great. Let's do it again.
But if the oven doesn't run it, when you get to eat it, you're gonna be
You know
so
what?
happy.
There is nothing in the world that's going to be delicious enough to make worth all this work. I got to tell you.
So, about to use some wood epoxy to fill the damage we've got here. Lane's already done it to the other window stool, but it's still shallow in a couple spots. So we're going to top that off and sand it. We're finally ready to paint these. So we do need quite a bit, but we're just getting equal parts of both of these. This is probably not enough. And then you just work it together. Once you got it nicely mixed. I've seen Lane do this before, but once you've got it nicely mixed, then you can fill. I usually like to do this by hand just because you get a better feel for it. You can use a putty knife to try to flatten out the top. But we're going to start with this and probably have to get 3 times this much. It's a pretty good hole here. Hopefully you can see this. You see why I need so much. There's a huge piece of missing wood here, and I could fill that with another piece of wood. It's just real time consuming, so we're going to do this. And that will sand down just fine. I'm going to need a lot more, aren't I? and definitely leave it high so that you can sand it down and square it off. So here's my after. Had some little spots, but this big spot was the trouble, and I think I got a pretty good, I think I got enough in there. I think it'll sand down okay, but you know, it's going to be harder than wood. I mean, this product is fantastic, really good for filling damaged spots like this, and of course we have them all the time. So I think I did a pretty good job there.
I'm Tammy Pack.
I'm Jason Dahl.
I'm Marla Toman. And we're eXp Realty, Natchez, Mississippi. Why buy Natchez? We have beautiful, affordable homes, gorgeous cottages like the one we're in today, with an average sold square foot price of just over half the national average.
Natchez has small town southern charm.
And front porch vibes. Our Restoration Nation, are you looking for a project?
Well, the state of Mississippi offers historic tax credits.
And it doesn't even have to be on a commercial building. It can be your personal residence. Wes and I just got our check.
Why buy Natchez?
It's the oldest city
On the highest bluff,
on the mightiest river in America. If you want to see all the beautiful listings in Natchez, follow us on Facebook.
Icing the cake. I think we need to show everyone too that we started when it was daylight.
And 3 days later.
3 days later.
In 73 years, this is the ugliest cake I've ever made in my life. And you got to be a part of it. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Oh no.
Okay. Ethan, you know how my cakes, you know Mama's cakes are always superior.
yes.
This is the ugliest cake I ever made in my life.
It's the best ever.
I don't know.
It may be ooey gooey German chocolate cake.
Yeah.
It's the
With that
best
oven,
ever.
cooked it like.
It's delicious.
Who knows?
You know you better say it's delicious.